It is just a 3-step process to fix unexpected store exception in Windows 10. Go to Start icon, then click on Settings, then click on System. In the Power and Sleep, click on Additional Power Settings, then click here, then click on Change Settings that currently unavailable and uncheck this option. Then click on Save and close all windows. Again go to search bar and type Windows PowerShell. Right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Okay. Now copy this command. You will get this command in the description. Copy that. Right click here. Go to Edit and click on Paste and hit Enter. It will take much time to complete its process. Wait until that. Then close this. Again go to search bar and type System Configuration. Click here to open it. Then go to Services tab. Check this option. Then click on Disable All. Again go to Startup. Then open Task Manager. Then disable all the services which are currently running on your desktop. Then close all windows. Again go to search bar and type command prompt. Right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Then type this command sfc/scan now and hit Enter. Close this. Again open command prompt and type chkdsk/c:/r. It will take some time to complete its process. You have to do it yourself. Again go to Start icon, click on Settings, go to System, then in the Power and Sleep, click on Additional Power Settings, then click on Choose what the power buttons do. Click here and uncheck this option and click on Save Changes. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.